Equation of tangent and normal to a curve at a given point. First, we find out equation of tangent. Suppose a curve is given. Curve is y is equal to fx. To find out equation of tangent at particular point P whose coordinates are x1, y1. Then you have learned equation of line passing through a particular point. That equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is slope point form, where m is slope of line. Slope of line, that is slope of tangent, is obtained by derivative. Given function y is equal to fx, derivative value is obtained dy upon dx. And this dy upon dx, whatever we answer obtain, substitute value for x and y from this coordinate x1, y1. The particular constant answer is getting that represent slope m, that is slope of tangent. Using slope and this particular point x1, y1, apply slope point form, you will get equation of tangent. So given here value for derivative, that is the slope, that is gradient. So gradient of curve y equal to fx at a point P with coordinates x1, y1 is given by the derivative of y at that point. Hence, equation of tangent is obtained from this relation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where m is equal to dy upon dx at point P. Normal curve y is equal to fx, particular point P, x1, y1, tangent is drawn. Then we have to find out here normal. So normal is a line passing through the point P and perpendicular to tangent. Observe a line here. That line is perpendicular to the tangent. This is called as normal. To find out its equation, we apply concept for lines are perpendicular. Statement: if lines are perpendicular, product of slope is minus of 1. Here slope of tangent, that is obtained by derivative. So slope of tangent is given by dy upon dx at particular point P of x1, y1. As they are perpendicular, normal and tangent, so slope of normal is obtained minus 1 divided by slope of tangent, and here slope of tangent is dy upon dx. Hence value for slope of normal formula getting minus 1 by dy by dx. Slope of tangent you have denoted by m. For normal, you can denote by m dash, that is m into m dash, product you will get minus 1. So second target, to find out equation of normal, again use slope point form. So first normal, a line through a point P on a curve and perpendicular to the tangent at point P is called the normal to the curve at point P. Definition. Next, equation of normal to curve y equal to fx at point P of x1, y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where m, that is slope of normal, is obtained by minus 1 divided by dy upon dx. Using this formula, you can find out equation of normal. Question: find the equations of tangent and normals to the following curve at the indicated point on them. Let us see first equation of curve given as y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 at point minus 1 comma minus 2. First let us see steps for finding equation of tangent and normal. First step, you are calculating value for dy upon dx. That is answer for derivative. After that, second step, value for slope m. M for slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to m, that is obtained from the value of dy by dx at that particular point. So writing dy upon dx at point P. Is it clear? Next, third
Perfect.
step, performing equation of tangent. Equation of tangent using formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. You obtain here equation of tangent. After this, fourth step, performing slope of normal. Slope of normal, that is obtained by reciprocal of slope of tangent with opposite sign, that is minus 1 by m. After getting slope of normal, last step, that is equation of normal. Equation of normal obtained by formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where m is the slope of normal which calculated in fourth step. Solution for problem. Given equation of curve, first you are writing y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1. After this, derivative is taken. That is the first step to find out dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx, x square derivative 2x, 4x derivative 4, 1 constant derivative 0. That is value for dy by dx is obtained 2x plus 4. Step number 1 complete to get value of dy by dx. Then step number second, to find out slope of tangent, that is m. So dy by dx calculated at particular point. Here particular point is given as a point P whose coordinates are minus 1 comma minus 2. That is x coordinate minus 1, y value minus 2. We obtain here value of dy by dx as 2x plus 4. In this derivative, substitute x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. But derivative answer contain only x. So you will put only value of x as a minus 1. Therefore, value for derivative at point P minus 1 comma minus 2 is obtained 2 times minus 1 plus 4. Product 2 into minus 1 is getting minus 2. So minus 2 plus 4 total is obtained 2. These two value represent slope of tangent, that is m. After getting slope of tangent, step number third, to perform equation of tangent. So equation of tangent at point minus 1 comma minus 2, formula is known y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So coordinate here minus 1 comma minus 2, that is value for x1 and y1. It is not the x and y. Remember, given point coordinate you have to use x1 y1, and slope m is calculated already here. Substitute value for x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to minus 2, and slope value m equal to 2. We get equation of tangent y minus minus become plus 2 equal to m value 2, x minus minus 1 it become plus 1. 2 multiplied inside bracket multiplication of 10, 2 times x plus 2. In simplification, right hand side 2, left hand side 2 cancel. That is remaining part is y is equal to 2x. Y shifted right hand side, we get 2x minus y equal to 0. This equation represent slope of tangent at point minus 1 comma minus 2. Second part, slope of normal at point minus 1 comma minus 2 obtained by reciprocal of slope of tangent with opposite sign, that is minus 1 by slope of tangent. Slope of tangent m is calculated, it is equal to 2. Substitute value here, we get minus 1 upon 2, that is value for slope is obtained minus half. Step 4th complete. Now last step, applying equation of normal at this point minus 1 comma minus 2 using formula y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, where this m represents slope of normal, that is m is equal to minus 1 by 2, and point x1 y1 we get here minus 1 minus 2. Substitute values, slope m minus 1 by 2, x1 coordinate minus 1, y1 value minus 2. So equation of normal is obtained, y plus 2 is equal to minus half times x minus minus plus 1. Next step, denominator 2 shifted to left hand side, multiplied here with y plus 2. 2 times y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 times x plus 1. 2 multiplied inside, we get 2 times y plus 4 is equal to minus x minus 1. Then this minus x minus 1 both are shifted to left hand side. We get answer x plus 2y, 4 plus 1 again 5, that is x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Required equation of normal. Problem second. Curve equation y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at point 0 comma 5. To find out equation of tangent and normal to this curve, let us see. First, writing given equation of curve y is equal to this curve. Step number 1, to find out dy by dx, differentiate with respect to the x. Dy by dx is obtained x raised to 4 derivative 4x cube, x cube derivative 3x square into 6, that is 18x square. Next 13x square derivative 26x, 10x derivative 10 plus 5 constant derivative 0, no need to write. Here we obtain value of derivative. After getting derivative, we can find slope of tangent using this particular point. Point is 0 comma 5. That is x coordinate value 0, y is 5. Substitute in this derivative answer, x is equal to 0. It does not contain y term. So only put x 0. You will get first term, second term, third term, all are getting 0. Only remaining is minus 10. So dy by dx at this point is obtained minus 10. This minus 10 represents slope of tangent, that is m. So equation of tangent at point 0, 5 is obtained by formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So derivative answer at point is obtained. This is slope m. Value for x1 coordinate is 0. Value for y1 it is 5. Substitute in this equation. We get slope equation of normal. Let us see. Y minus 5 is equal to m is minus 10, x minus 0. Then minus 10 multiplied inside, we get y minus 5 is equal to minus 10x. And this minus 10x shifted to left hand side, it become plus. So 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is required equation of tangent at point 0, 5. Slope of normal at that point, we get minus 1 by slope of tangent. But slope of tangent m is here minus 10. Substitute minus 1 by minus 10, minus minus become plus. Hence slope of normal is equal to 1 by 10. After getting slope of normal, we have to use slope point form for equation of normal. Hence, writing next step, equation of normal at 0, 5 is y minus y1 is equal to m dash time x minus x1. I have used either different symbol, slope of normal as a m dash. So you can put here value for x1, that is 0, y1 is 5, value for slope m dash 1 by 10. Hence equation of normal y minus 5 1 by 10 times x minus 0. Denominator 10 shifted to left hand side, get multiplied with y minus 5. Right hand side x minus 0, that is x. Multiply 10 inside, we get 10y minus 50 is equal to x. Shift both term to right hand side. You will get answer x minus 10y plus 50 is equal to 0. Required equation of tangent normal, sorry. So equation of tangent and normal we can find out for any curve at a particular point. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.